How to fix Read Aloud in Microsoft Word on Windows. If you rely on Microsoft Word's Read Aloud feature to proofread documents or listen to long reports, it can be super frustrating when the button is grayed out, does nothing, or throws a voice engine error. This usually comes down to missing speech language packs, disabled accessibility options, or audio device conflicts. Alright, so here are the fixes. So first, let's verify that Read Aloud is enabled and that your proofing language is properly installed inside Word. So just open Word, go to File, this should be the menu you should be on, and on this top corner, click on Options. After that, navigate to Accessibility tab, and make sure to check the box next to Show Read Aloud. Make sure that it's ticked. If you can't find that, this will probably be it. Provide feedback with sound, so just click on that. Okay, next click on Language, right on top here. And ensure that your preferred language is set to Preferred and Proofing Installed. So as you can see, English is my default. There you go. English, Preferred, and Proofing is installed. So if Word doesn't have the matching text-to-speech engine downloaded for your language, Read Aloud will fail to start. And also, let me show you next how to check your Windows speech settings and audio playback device. So just go ahead and navigate to Settings, press Windows I, and this window will open up. After that, guys, go to Time and Language here. After that, select Speech. And then make sure to check the voices and confirm that default speech voice is installed and selected. So in my case, I don't use voice, but if you do, you can either add by pressing this button, okay, and search for English, for example, right? Choose it and install it. And yeah. And finally, right-click the speak icon. Alright, right-click here, or just click with the left button. And then make sure to click right over here. And make sure that your main speakers are selected so that you can actually hear the sound being played from Word when that narration or read aloud is happening. And after that, you should be good to go, guys. That's all the fixes you need. Enjoy.